In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an automation rule in your project. Let's get started by opening the project that contains the automation rules you want to manage. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team area and that you have permission to edit automations in this project. If you're working with multiple projects, a quick check of the project name at the top can save you from removing a rule in the wrong place. With the project open, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Customize button. This panel is where you control project level settings, including fields, layout options, and the automation features we need today. If your screen is narrow, the Customize option might be tucked behind an icon. Expanding your window can make it easier to find. Inside the customization panel, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Rules. This section lists all the automation rules configured for the project. You'll usually see the rule names, their triggers, and sometimes indicators like whether they're active or when they last ran. Take a moment to read the rule descriptions so you're confident you've identified the right one. If your workspace supports search or filters within rules, that can help you locate a specific automation faster, especially in larger projects. Once you've found the rule you want to remove, move your cursor to the right side of that rule and click the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. From the options that appear, select Delete. Choosing Delete indicates that you want to permanently remove this rule from the project. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you're certain. This is an important safeguard, because deleting an automation rule stops it from running in the future and cannot always be undone. Confirm the deletion to proceed. After you confirm, the rule will disappear from the list and it will no longer trigger on new events in the project. Any tasks or updates that were already made by the rule will remain as they are. Deletion affects future automation, not past results. If you don't see the option to delete, it may be because you don't have the necessary permissions or the rule might belong to a different project. Double check your access and that you're in the correct location, then try again. That's it. You've successfully removed an automation rule. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher while you work.